Hello everyone, so this is Shuk Makni Yehuda today. So today is day 31 of war in Israel against Hamas. So here in Jerusalem, it's a peaceful Jerusalem here in the marketplace. As you can see, all the customer, fresh vegetables and fruits. I'm going to tour you. Yeah, to tour you in here. Yeah, this is the candy shop. Jerusalem today. I'm gonna buy cheesecake here in American brand cheesecake. The olives. Green olives. Natakam tuloy ako. Sarap ng olives. So, nakakamiss. Kaso Thank you so much everyone. Stay safe and love.